Two Boss Performance, Indiana Metro Milwaukee, and we're testing out our new head pipe, proprietary to Two Boss Performance. It maintains the stock heat shields and the stock look. Is reasonably priced at $299. We're getting some really promising numbers here on the dyno. With the Stage 2 cams, high flow, Indian slip-on mufflers, we're getting 88 horsepower and 114 foot-pounds of torque. It really carries the horsepower up on the top end. That's without any tuning. I just put in a power commander and ran it. So I'm going to tune it and see what kind of numbers we can get before this is all done.